So you know what you're doing? Yeah. Hold it up like that, and then you get it comfortable, and then you can move that look. Put that where you want.
2026.
So use your thumb to manipulate the pictures. You can turn it right the way around, or you can turn the other lens on. That's looking through that lens now.
And a pleasure to represent our service. We do that all across the UK.
Put it in position first. Get comfortable now. Point of the tower. Get comfortable. Right. Then, in the middle like that.
Well, please put your hands together. 25. Right there for Cinematic Team. It's the Red Arrow!
Your mini Mic2 on.
Yes, is yours on?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
Well, here we are at the lovely Lancashire seaside resort of Blackpool.
Blackpool.
We've actually come for the air show, haven't we?
Yeah.
And here it is.
The Red Arrows.
Hey, this is it. Flying in fantastic formation. So here we are on day 2. Day 2.
3.
Well, day 2 of the air show.
Of the air show.
Day 2 of the air show. And first up's Typhoons. The RAF Typhoon. That starts at 1:55. So we're actually now on the pier. We've come to the central pier because we're staying just on York Street. So we're a short walk to come over. We've got the 360 set up. Yvonne's in charge of the 360, aren't you?
Apparently so.
She filmed with it yesterday, did a decent job. Actually got the planes coming over the tower, didn't you?
So you trust him with it again?
Yeah. Thing is about a 360 camera, you can't really miss anything, can you?
Can't go wrong.
Because it
Why I
films
get
everything.
Come again.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. Hello. Oh, it's coming again.
Got my big camera today. Got my big camera today, we take some pictures. Not video today, we're doing pictures today. Aren't we?
Yep.
Pictures.
You were doing pictures yesterday as well.
I was doing pictures yesterday as well. I was indeed. The thing is, you'll see it before you hear it. This is the thing that catches me out when I'm filming.
So will we see it before we hear it then?
You'll go.
Yeah.
It's there then.
Yeah, that's right.
Nice blue sky.
There he is. There he is.
Seagulls.
We've got the Battle of Britain Memorial flight coming past now, and it could be 2 Spitfires, or it could be a Spitfire and a Hurricane and a Lancaster bomber. And they're just coming up now, and I'll get some nice shots of them. You won't see them on the 360 so well. You'll see them a little bit. Yeah, they're coming round again. I think there's only 2 Lancaster bombers left in the country. Serviceable ones. There's ones parked up the door fly, but... And again. The light's better on this side. I think, looking at the wing shape, I think one's a Hurricane and one's a Spitfire.
Yeah.
I think they're going to jump any second now. Because they're going right up at top of us.
Yeah, right up at top now. And you can actually see him. So you might see him jump.
I'm hoping so. I reckon they're going this time. There's one gone.
Oh yeah. Right.
2 of them, 3 of them.
3, 4, 5. Oh, they're all there now. They've done the parachute straight away.
Yeah, they come down slow and these go down faster.
Oh, it's another one. 2. No, just 1.
Yeah, they're still coming.
Another one. Oh.
Yeah, that's an interesting bush there.
How many is there up there?
There's 3 on that one, and there's one behind him. The guy with the Union Jack. Brilliant.
Flag's coming down.
The size of that flag. Right, we're recording. We're just waiting for the red arrows to come over, and they are imminently going to pass over the tower and into the sea.
Oh, there they are.
Well, so she's a group of 4. Oh yeah. Very scared bird. Right, well that's it from a very nice Blackpool. Weather's been pretty good, hasn't it? We can't complain too much. It's not sunny, but it's been quite warm actually today.
It was sunny earlier on.
It was
just
sunny.
clouded over a bit.
Yeah, clouded over a little bit at the end. But we've been here 2 days. This was the best day. Fantastic air show here at Blackpool. And you can see the pier behind us. That's where we were sat watching the air show on the second day. On the first day we were by the tower. One thing I want to say, the Osmo does overheat after about 25 minutes. If you're filming in 8K 50 frames, it may overheat, so just be wary of that. We don't normally film for more than a 15-minute stretch really, but if you film for like more than 20 minutes, there's a chance it could go off and overheat. The camera does get hot, and now that we know about it, we'll work around it. On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Adios.
Yeah.